Good morning. It's 8:27, 8:30 in the morning. I'm going to go leaving here in Hostal, Camino de Rinco. I'm going to go to the Mano del Desierto and then I'm going to sleep somewhere. Right now. Tudo bem? Já colocaram? ¿Aquí la subida está bien? Espera. I just met the guy here. This is his motorcycle. He had an accident. Now he's going back to Brazil by truck. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, but they're okay. They've left in a hotel here and everything, so not bad. So I have 100 kilometers until the next gas station in a city called Calama. They say it's not a very safe city. Okay, I just left San Pedro de Atacama. It's a city like inside the desert, and now I have 95 kilometers to Calama, but I'm gonna stop in a place called Magic Bus. It's just a stupid thing that they made, like the Magic Bus of that movie Into the Wild. Look at the scenery of this desert, crazy. And then I'm going to continue into the Mano del Desierto, and maybe I'll have to return and stop and sleep in Antofagasta. I don't know yet. I didn't want to. I want to sleep closer to the border here. Let's try. Look at this. Whoa. Just 24 kilometers. So I fill up the tank and I paid $10, which is like around 55 reais. It's the same price as Brazil. It wasn't so full. I think I put like what, 5 liters maybe. Here there is a place that is close to Vale de la Luna, which is down there, but you have to pay to get in. Might be down there. And I think I'm going to try to stop here in a place where you can see a lot of stuff. Yeah, here is all part of the Vale de la Luna. Yeah, that's the Vale de la Luna, probably, where people come to see and enjoy. Here, this is the place. Cordillera de la Sal, the Salt Range of Mountains. mountain range. Yeah, cool. Here and here they call Valle de la Luna the Moon Valley because it looks like you are in another planet. Look at that. Whoo, fucking shit. Oh yeah, nice, beautiful place. Cool. I just entered here. I left the road and entered in this one towards the magic bus. I'm gonna try here because it seems like it's not very bad road. I can go quite well. Yeah, it's not bad. Arriving here in Calama, there is this a little bit behind the solar energy farm. I think yeah, there's more there. The wind farm as well. I think it sounds like a very nice place for you to get sun, right? I think there are a lot of sun energy here. Yeah, here. The solar plates here for catching energy from the sun. Well, this one is big. I don't know if it's private or state, it doesn't say anything, but there was a sign saying it was like planta photovoltaica, and Calama is right in front of here, almost there. Okay, I just arrived in Calama. A little bit difficult here to get to the gas station. They say this city here is the biggest city, so if you want to go to San Pedro de Atacama not by motorcycle or by car, the airport is in this city, then you have to go 100 kilometers to that side to go to San Pedro. But they are saying that the city here is a little bit dangerous now. I don't know, some people are robbing stuff. I'm not saying it's bad, okay? I'm just saying it. Just saying it. It could have been that way. Yeah. It's also a city in the middle of the Atacama desert, but a little bit bigger. That's why, of course, there's more strange people around. 2 kilometers from here. Okay, leaving Calama. I found a Shell gas station. I know now that I'll have to pay a toll. I don't know how, when, where, but that's gonna be something. Tolls are always something difficult in other countries. I have 112 kilometers towards Antofagasta. Antofagasta. It looks really modern here, eh? I just left a place here called Sierra Gorda. Here, I think you're gonna be able to see it from here. Sierra Gorda. That might be a place for me to, when I come back, to sleep. But the hospedaje is very, very small. Anyway, you have 16 kilometers, 45 kilometers to my next destination. Okay, just left the Tropic gas station. My next stop. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. My next stop is Antofagasta. Okay, Iquique, Antofagasta. Iquique to the other side, Antofagasta here. Iquique is also very close to Peru already. And then on the border, actually yesterday I saw something that it was indicating to go to Bolivia up there in the near the Paso de Jama. We're close to Bolivia as well. We were close to Bolivia there. Now we are going to Antofagasta. We left Calama, Antofagasta, Copiapó 659, Antofagasta 97, Santiago 1458. Okay, now it's highway. The woman that was filling up my tank here, she just said that there is a toll. It's around 2,500 pesos near Antofagasta, just one. That's good. Now I'm going to go to Antofagasta to a place called La Portada. It's a beautiful place there that I wanted to see. Then I'm going to cross Antofagasta to see the city, go to Monte Desierto, and then the hand of the desert. And then now I'm coming back to see. Coming back to Brazil. Oh my God! So far so good. This is the desert. Antofagasta is the biggest city here in the desert of Chile, of course. It seems like it's a big city, like. And by the mountain. Now we are going down the mountains until the Pacific Ocean. Cool. Okay, this part of the road here from Calama to Antofagasta, like around 40 kilometers to Antofagasta now. This part here was 120 kilometers per hour and very fast. I didn't get the toll yet, and I just passed here Capricorn line, the same that press in São Paulo state. Same line, Linea de Capricornio is here. Same line, the same latitude of São Paulo city here. Exactly here. In the globe. Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. Let's see what's happening here. Cono. These are called cono in Spanish. So if you go down south, you have Copiapó, then you have Chañaral, then you have Santiago, like 600 kilometers if you go down, and then more around 700 kilometers into Santiago de Chile, the capital. Okay, so here's the peaje toll. I don't know how it works. I have the money here, so it's gonna be my first time paying a toll after I left São Paulo state. I think it doesn't matter now. There's a car. Todo vehículo paga. Every vehicle pays. Motorcycle 1,250. Okay, so well, there's no telepass. It's just like come here and pay. All right. Just like in Brazil. Hola, buenas tardes. Muchas gracias. Okay, easy. She gave me some coins. Alright. I don't know why she gave me some coins. I didn't know that they use coins here. But now I have to use them. Shit. Ah, to come back. Okay, cool. It's 1,250 pesos. It's like $1.50, $1.03, $1.30. Great. 64 kilometers to the point of interest. Okay, I am going to get this road here. So if I go straight, I go to Antofagasta. I'm gonna get this route here, which is full of trucks, to go to the Portada. Let's see, it's almost the same. It's 49 kilometers here. That's what GPS told me to do. Okay, so here is the Pacific Ocean. Just arriving. I have 12 kilometers to La Portada. Here is the airport of Antofagasta. We reached the Pacific Ocean. Antofagasta is that city there. Oh, beautiful, but it's a different kind of beautiful. It's not beautiful, but it's beautiful. Here in Antofagasta, as far as I know, they got some observatory for stars as well. Maybe that's the one, or one of them. And anyway, but they do have, because it's very, because of the mountains here, the weather, the sky. Okay, there might be a lot, some indication saying like I have to go here to La Portada. Okay, I left the Ruta 1, the main highway there. There are some signs saying La Portada, so it's not so difficult to get it. Wow, Portada. The wind here is crazy. 750 meters in the desert of Atacama. We're going to see this landmark, the first landmark today. Here, bienvenido al Monumento Nacional La Portada Natural. I think that's the place. That's what you can see from here. Right. Oh, righto. That's it. Okay, so this is the monument La Portada here in Antofagasta, and this is the Pacific Ocean. I'm going towards the avenue that goes along the coast. Okay, so entering Antofagasta. It's 2 o'clock now. Typical South American city. Person here begging for money. Smells like the ocean here, of course. ¿Por aquí? Sí, sí. Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Todo bien? Por favor, lleno con la común, la 93. Sí, sí, sí. Hasta la chapita aquí, por favor. ¿Está bien ahí, no? Sí, sí. Bueno, con la tarjeta, por favor. Crédito, débito. Débito. Bueno. No, muchas gracias.